When you try to sign in and create a new account for Minecraft, it's saying get help from your parents. You entering your birth year as 1999, but it still says get help from your parents. Many users facing this issue even after selecting 18 plus age. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix it. First, open your Minecraft and tap on sign in. Here again tap on sign in. From here tap on create one. Now from these two options you have to select for my child. Do not select for myself. Now click on next. Now here tap on create one. Now fill up this with your information. You can use your date of birth, don't worry. Here tap on get a new email address. Now type an unique address here. Then click next and enter your password here. After entering the password, tap on next. Now enter your first name and last name and then click on next. Now simply complete this human verification. Just press and hold this button. After completing this, your account will be created. When you come to this page, tap on your mobile back button. It will redirect you to your game. When the game is open, tap on sign in. Just like before, again tap on sign in. Now enter the email which you just created as a parent. Must be use the same email extension. Like if you are create as a Outlook, you have to write the outlook.com, or if you create as a Hotmail, you have to write the hotmail.com. After that, click on next. Now enter the password of this mail and tap on sign in. From here you can use this name or edit it by tapping on the pencil icon. In my case, I am going to change my name. After choosing the name, tap on save and continue. You can also change the logos from here. Now tap on let's go. Now it will redirect you to your game. As you can see, my account is logged in. That's how you can fix this problem and create an account to log in. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.